12 Orange Festival celebrated amid protest. Chief Minister Ibobi asserts Jiribam Tupul railway line will improve the life of people in Tamenglong. A trial run for Imphal Mandalay bus service under India Act East policy flag off by Chief Minister today. Prime Minister Modi thanks people of Manipur for electing BJP candidates in Thangmaiban and Thongju by-election. And Neroka FC Sangakpham reached pre-quarterfinals of the 59th CC meet. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I am Shalabdi Toism with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi today inaugurated the 12 Orange Festival in Lower Ground, Tamenglong this morning. This year, the festival is held on the theme Peace and Prosperity. Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam, Ministers Govindas Konthaujam, Francis Najokpa, Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar, Deputy Speaker M.K. Preshor Shimre, MLA Chaltolian Amo were among those who attended the annual festival. In his inaugural speech, Chief Minister Ibobi said the completion of Jiribam Tupul railway line and other projects taken up for better connectivity will enable in broadening the markets of the rich agricultural, horticultural and floricultural producers of Tamenglong district. He also mentioned that the government is making efforts to improve banking system in all hill districts of Manipur to give more financial power to farmers living in remote villages. Cultural performances by artists from Tamenglong and Imphal were the main highlights of the festival. Rapangailu of Nungba bagged the Best Orange Grower title.
With the completion of the Jiribam Tupul Imphal railway line and improvement of connectivity, the forest and horticultural products of this district particularly will have a much wider market and change the economic condition of the people. The direct benefits will follow in the household of each and every individual of Tamenglong district. I appeal to all to extend full cooperation in completion, particularly projects, especially Jiribam Tupul and Imphal railway line.
Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam expressed the hope that the festival will bring peace and harmony among various communities. He also urged the people to make the state self-reliant in terms of production of agricultural and horticultural products. Gaikhangam said railway will soon be passing through Tamenglong, which was once known as the most underdeveloped district. He maintained that the tallest bridge near Nonne will attract many domestic and international tourists within a short time. The Home Minister also reiterated the commitment of the government in giving equal privilege to both hills and valley.
Issue the Tamenglong Saukat handing the bar. National project Tingba means Tamenglong Saukat Tingba Evany. Tamenglong Saukat Tingba means Manipur Saukat Tingba Evany. Masako one talk say, I could come. Come in the sea, Bahapa in the sea, Hydana. I has a money. Socket by say, Santi little time. Socket by say, Nusisa never die. Socket by say, Potok has never die. I could put them up. Socket peggy agent among Oishi. Nusisa agent among Oishi. Santi property agent among Oishi, Hydana. Tamzani.
Protesters burnt the effigies of Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh and Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam in Tamenglong. In a statement, 5 organizations representing Zeliangrong community stated that the state government led by Okram Ibobi Singh was anti-tribal and communal. It said the state government is suppressing the community in the name of Orange Festival. They said they burned the effigies as a symbolic protest against the government's anti-Naga and anti-tribal policies. They maintain that God-gifted orange is the pride of the Zeliangrong people and they will compromise this gift just to serve the personal interest of earning few thousands of rupees. A trial run was conducted for the Imphal-Mandalay bus service which will connect Imphal and Myanmar under India Act East policy. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh flagged off the bus service at 7 in the morning at Hotel Imphal in North AOC. The event was attended by Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam, PWD Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar, top civil and police officials. The 27th member team, which left for Mandalay, is led by IGP Clay Khongsai. The team consists of chief engineer and officials of PWD, director and officials of transport, representatives of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, travel agencies, among others. The team will reach Moreh today and leave for Mandalay tomorrow. From Mandalay, the team will visit Naypyidaw, capital of Myanmar, on December 11th. The team will return to Imphal on December 14 along with 32 delegates from Myanmar. The team will submit a report to the Central Ministry after their return. Women Convention demanding speedy justice was held today at Manipur Press Club as part of 16 days of activism against gender-based violence campaign. The convention was jointly organized by various women's organizations including Women Action for Development, Conflict Widow Forum, Northeast Dialogue Forum, District Women Committee. Participants chanted slogans demanding various demands. Representatives from different districts shared their testimony during the convention. Addressing media persons, Secretary of Women Action for Development Sobita Mangsartabam said, the main objective of the convention is to seek attention of the three pillars of democracy, the executive, judiciary and legislature to be more active on the urgent need to take action to curb the increasing number of crimes against women and children in Manipur. She also said 279 cases of crime against women and children were reported from January 1 till December 6, 2015. Memorandum to President, Prime Minister and Home Minister regarding the issue.
Akoina MLA humfuda akoi demand tauzaning basi kaigino karino habda we demand the enactment of appropriate law for women and children in conflict torn state of Manipur. Manipur se atai top state ka manana treat tawbe aroi Manipur gi tongana for the last many decades we are having the armed conflict as well as the imposition of Armed Forces Special Power Act for the many decades. Sina maram moraga crime yam singje hengale janjanja budget during the winter sessions of State Assembly 2015.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has thanked the people of Manipur for giving 2 seats in the recently concluded by-elections in Tangmeband and Thongju AC. The Prime Minister also assured a team of BJP leaders led by Manipur in charge, Prahlad Patel, that he will extend all the help he can to the BJP Manipur unit to come to power in the upcoming State Assembly election in 2017. He also assured the team that he will look into the several issues raised by the Manipur delegation at the meeting that took place at the Prime Minister's office in the Parliament. The team urged the Prime Minister to provide highway protection to all national highways to enable essential goods to pass. This was in view of the frequent blockades and burns which are used by various organizations to raise their issues. The team also urged the Prime Minister to expedite the implementation of the Act East policy in the interest of the thousands of unemployed youths. The NDA government has recently turned the Look East policy to Act East policy to boost trade relations with the Southeast Asian countries. The team also urged the Prime Minister to bring the wave of good governance to Manipur by tackling the issues misgovernance and corruption in the incumbent Congress government. The delegates include the newly elected BJP MLA from Thongju T.H. Bishwajit, Organization General Secretary S. Premananda Sharma, and the newly inducted members senior politician O. Joy and retired DGP Yumnam Joy Kumar, apart from Prahlad Patel. The team will also call on the Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan. The 69th birthday of Congress President Sonia Gandhi was celebrated by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee at Girls' Home and Nompok Mahikol, run by Organization for the Underprivileged Group, Brahmapur Aribam Laikai. MPCC President CM Gai Khangam, Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Konthaujam Works Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar, several Congress MLAs and workers, IMC Chairperson A. Nimai Sharma took part in the celebration. MPCC presented gifts to the girls' home on the occasion. Founder of the home and principal of Nongpok Mahikol, H. Memtombi, spoke about the home which was established in 2004 and said the members are working with dedication to make the children of the home good human beings. In his speech, Gakham praised Sonia Gandhi and said she has been trying to realize the dream of her mother-in-law Indira Gandhi and husband Rajiv Gandhi after they were brutally assassinated. A public discussion on the impact of intoxicants and drugs on the society and people's role in fighting them was held today at Laima Kaithel in Wangkai Ayangpali. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol Kada Apunba Nupilup Wangkai Ayangpali and Nongpok Laingak Apunba Nupilup jointly organized the discussion. General Secretary of All Manipur Bar Association B. Supriya, who was the resource person, spoke on the role of the people in fighting against intoxicants. Elections to elect one councillor and 2 ward development committee members of each ward of 18 municipal councils and 8 Nagar Panchayats will be held on January 11 next year. The last date of filing nominations is December 14 and scrutiny will be held on December 15. Counting of votes will be held on January 15. Elderly persons above 70 have been presented with gifts at Ningtham Khudol held at Sagolban Tera Kaithel. The event was organized by Development Committee Tera Kaithel at PDA Complex. All Manipur Working Journalists Union President Wangkhemcha Siamjai, Editors Guild Manipur President Ahong Sangbam Mubi, United Committee Manipur President Johnson Ilangbam presented gifts to the elderly persons. "25-year-old Ngasam Ongbi Eliza Devi from Khurai Haigrumakhong is missing from the 5th of this month. Sources said she left her home around 3:30 p.m. Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, Eastern Region, Sub-Regional Office, Guwahati and Manipur Forest Department jointly organized a 2-day capacity building program on the theme Wildlife Crime Investigation and Intelligence Collection at Forest Department, Sanjeng Thong. Regional Deputy Director of Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, Eastern Region, Kolkata, Nishant Verma, Deputy Assistant Director, Police Science of NEPA, MHA, Shillong Ditya Roy, representatives of Forest Police, Judiciary, Customs, Postal Department, Assam Rifles, CISF took part in the program. Nishant Verma said the program will focus on the need for coordination between the Forest Department and other departments concerned to check wildlife crime during the program.
Strengthening the wildlife crime enforcement and wildlife crime investigation skills for developing the skills and intelligence gathering. Adequate the participants with the current provisions of Wildlife Protection Act and how they go about doing the seizure, search, seizure and arrest in cases of wildlife crime. Through our intelligence network, we are tracing out basically the whereabouts of the habitual poachers and offenders. We are maintaining the criminal dossiers of those persons.
Forest Wildlife Conservator L. Lukhoi said Forest Department alone cannot prevent and control the widespread poaching of wildlife in different parts of Manipur. He maintained that wildlife can be saved only when the people understand the relation between the wildlife and human beings. As part of the program, mock wildlife court, mock poaching, etc. were demonstrated today.
मोइसिकी मतेंग लौरगा ngसाइगे अखोइ फॉरेस्ट सेक्टर नतना हारि असुगी जॉइंट वेंचर होइना असुग ममा अखोइ संगसिन ममा दरकार होय कंट्रोल तौनुगी दमकता ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯜ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯟꯐꯣꯔꯁꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯖꯨꯗꯤꯁꯤꯌꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯨꯗꯤꯁꯤꯌꯔꯤ ꯃꯦꯖꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯐꯒꯠꯂꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ
Birth centenary celebration of freedom fighter and former Chief Minister of Manipur, Mairembam Koireng, will be held on the 19th of this month at Moirang Chengai Playground. Addressing the media persons today at Manipur Press Club, Chairman of the Organizing Committee, Yumkhaibam Modhu, said the birth centenary will be a year-long celebration. He said ahead of the celebration, a march past competition will be held for the students of Moirang Assembly constituency. He further said as part of the year-long celebration, half marathon run, mega blood donation, memorial lecture and Kabi Sammelan will also be held.
Hariba Sugma Makalgi function she koi Chahi Chubna celebration Chahi Muna Paktok Sagadovani, Tang Trama Pansa, Marueba man function, inaugural function, the Ogadovani Hababu, Madugi Mamang, Wong Mamang, Tang Dragani Pan, December da Koi Mars Pass competition Amatoguni, Hariba Mars Pass competition, Morang Assembly constituency, the Labor, Apunba school Singdegi Lapa contingent, Yam Dabada Kungini Saruk Yagani, Matangi Numit, Habidi 19 December 2015, the Ekona Paktok Sagadoriba. Achauba main function celebration Paktok Sagadori. Formal function holding among the Sandra Rota Leva, life-size statue of Sri M. Koireng Singh do Honorable Chief Minister unveiled to Vigani.
RD Minister and Chief Engineer have been accused of favoritism in giving the e-tender of PMGSY Phase 9 Part 1 and Phase 9 Part 2 work under Manipur State Rural Road Development Agency MSRRDA Imphal. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, Paukhogin Haukip, son of special contractor Nekhothang Haukip, said the work under order was given to his father, but it was scrapped and given to some other contractor. He warned authority that he will lodge complaint with the Union Ministry and National Rural Development Agency if the work order is not returned to his father.
Huzi complaint to boy say within 5 days natre after 4 months da complaint to si say yaning de unacceptable ne e-tender haibasidi transparency lay gato achumba chat gato na MSRDA Imphal na tobasidi achumba chatre corrupted oire manipulate tore si say hoy yaning de PMGSY Phase 9 ga 9 to retender sida akhoi na phawa Nekhothang Haukip Ming the power package trani thoise athuba manungda order issue to biro.
Passenger auto rickshaw service will be halted from December 11th on Porompat DC line if the Transport Department does not stop the petrol auto rickshaws which are plying without permit in this route. Diesel Auto Association, JAC Imonyu and Amoda, which are providing auto rickshaw service on the said route today, took the decision at a meeting. Speaking to newsperson, spokesperson of Porompat DC line driver Honest Diesel Auto Union, W. Buddha said 300 diesel auto rickshaws with permit issued by Transport Department are plying on Porompat DC line service. He said recently more than 100 petrol auto rickshaws without permit are plying on the same route, causing serious inconveniences to the diesel auto drivers.
Illegal petrol dosing challenge bigano na khoi side gi madi association ahumsigi secretary tawraga khoi CG pisan jagre adu ngasi bawda November gi tang 9 sida khoi gi response amata lakpidre madan response laktramnina khoi laiba khoi gi tang 13 se masidagi di khoi sigumba illegal oiba petrol dosing challenge batarga di khoi tang 13 sidagi di matam kaktaba khoi DC line sida any passenger gari makhan khujing makse khoi matam kaktana thingani hana khoi ngasi union na warep si logjabani government side tagi yarga di athu matamda akhoi na taliba demand se pibi waina haijari.
Interlocutor of the Indo-Naga peace talks, R.N. Ravi, yesterday urged the Naga people to come together while affirming that unity is not impossible. He said Prime Minister Narendra Modi is determined to solve Naga issue. R.N. Ravi was speaking at the morning session of the ongoing Hornbill Festival at Kisama yesterday. While assuring that India is serious towards finding a solution to the Naga political issue, he however said the Naga people, including the armed groups, have to unite in order to achieve it. Referring to the division within Naga society as his most extreme concern, Ravi however stated that by seeing the spirit of cultural unity, unity is not impossible. Conveying Prime Minister Narendra Modi's wish that resolution of the Naga issue has to be on the principle of equality and mutual understanding and respect, Ravi stated that there is no big or small and there cannot be a better foundational principle than this on which the whole hope of solution is built, and to achieve this, it is very important to be united. This foundational principle, he said, has been enunciated in the framework agreement signed between the Government of India and the NACN-IM. Ravi further made it clear that the process towards solution to the Indo-Naga issue is inclusive and all stakeholders will be taken on board. A National Investigation Agency (NIA) team brought a Thai national and alleged gun runner Witu Kornt alias Willie Naru to India last night. Willie Naru, who landed in Mumbai last night, was brought to Delhi this morning for detailed questioning. 58 years old, Naru was arrested on the request of the NIA in Bangkok on August 30, 2013 on the basis of an Interpol Red Corner notice. His name had come up during the integration of Naga Group NACN-IM self-styled Foreign Secretary Anthony Shimre. Shimre revealed that he had allegedly paid an advance of around $8 lakh for an arms consignment. In its charge sheet, the NIA said the NACN-IM used to get most of its arms from the Chinese arms company Norinco, and Naru had allegedly negotiated the deal. The delivery of consignment was to take place at Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh, but could not go through. NIA Chief Sharad Kumar said Naru's interrogation will help NIA to crack the supply route of Chinese arms to northeastern insurgents. Besides Shimre, Naru's links with other northeastern insurgent groups are also going to be focus of the people. Now the news from the world of sports. First, the CC meet. Neroka FC Sangakpham have entered the pre-quarter-finals of the 59 Sir Churchan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial Football Tournament. In the 9th match of the tournament played today at Mapal Kangjebung, Neroka FC Sangakpham trounced Youth Club Sadar Hill 6-0. CH Anand Kumar netted 2 goals, while MD Sohel Shah, Emeka Christained, Imran Khan and Y Randhan scored 1 goal each for the winners. Anoba Imagi Mangal Khabam will lock horns with United Sports Association Kurai Lamlong in a pre-quarter final match tomorrow. The tournament is organized by All in Manipur Football Association.
ngasi akoina han koi sana khidaba kaya so koi sina ki player amamdi akoi team amon laibnina pulap sananaba akoina sinna tangkai sanaba loina magu phanbagi akoina chanja du pire adur mathangda lagdoriba match akoi quarter finals da akoi kanna sanaba ko atoba strategy da akoi training tawraga akoi sanama tawne.
Model Club A Chingamakha beat Blue Hawk Kurai by 8 wickets in the 4th league match of 13 Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament at Langthabal Public Ground. Winning the toss, Blue Hawk Kurai batted first and made 96 runs. In reply, Model Club A Chingamakha made 98 for 2 in 1 overs to win the match. Model Club A's batsman SM Rahman made 61 runs and claimed Sapa Mani Singh Man of the Match prize. Imphal West Veteran Cricket Club will meet Napsa Kha Imphal tomorrow. Three-day Indigenous Games Festival of Manipur will begin tomorrow at Manipur University. The festival aims at popularizing the indigenous games of Manipur among the people. It will be broadcast live on DD Sports. Chairman of the organizing committee, A.K. Khogendra, today told the newspersons at Manipur Press Club that the festival is being hosted jointly by DD Sports, DDK Imphal and Indigenous Games Association Manipur. 7 indigenous games, namely Sagol Kangjai, Mukna Kangjai, Kang, Mukna, Chaibi and Yubi Lakpi, will be displayed in the 3-day festival. DD Sports has for the first time hosted Indigenous Games Festival in Mizoram, and this is the edition. A.K. Khogendra appealed the people to make the festival a success. DD Sports Channel Advisor Abhishek Dubey, Additional Director of Program Ramchandra, Program Coordinator Arpana Gupta and AIR Imphal Station Director M. Kanan Kumar, among others, attended the news meet where a souvenir of the festival was also launched.
DD Sports na national audience ta mi kauthok khraba jigumba games kaya amasu ngasai gi India gi audience ta pukhat laga indigenous games sing sibu yokhat na ba popular oina na ba aduga masi yarga na aikoi gi फजब योखट पे आब गेम ओरगने योखट पे यागेनबा अदुगुंबगी थौरांगनी तोंगान तोंगान बा भारत की मफम कयादा लेरिबा अखोगी इंडिजिनस गेम्स असिबु मयामदा उललगा असिगुम सिंग सिबु पॉपुलराइज हेन ओहनबा अदुना मांगहन किदनबा ममांगैदगी लेखलबा सानबगी असिगुंबा इंडिजिनस गेम्स असिबु योखटनबगी पांदमदा डीडी स्पोर्ट्स की अखोई थौरांग असि लखोचरकपनी.
Second Patsoi Kendra Badminton Championship kick-off today. 52 players are participating in men's open and men's 45 plus the tournament.
Ngasi Manipur sari impact tawa angaran sa apit ngasi Manipur se amna sari impact tawa Manipur mani adulasi sports in sportsmen puthok tanana sin Manipur ki ahum wa masahi manga sida lariba community hall sina si badminton association badminton sanatan tholai si yang thagani.
Kripsa Naurem Thong won the 7th Ampha Senior Women's Football League for BM Singh Trophy. In the 9th league match of the tournament played at Kuman Lampak Artificial Turf Ground, Kripsa Naurem Thong beat Manipur Police Sports Club 2-1 to lift the trophy. In the last league match of the tournament, ESU Wangkai beat Naharol Yaifathaurang Club Okram Chutek 2-0 to become the runners-up. 5 women's teams took part in the tournament organized by All Manipur Football Association.
Game ki start talk preparation se talk por hapam matam sida yamna wa ba habidi ai angang sing physically young player oga ju physical fit oram dawa akoi full support pi bidana tawda ya dabani masigi championship se lawda ya dabani haidana sponsor mayam ma takson bektana ichil pa mayam sina khona dana ngasi kipsagi asigun lo nupi gi senior women's football team sina ngasi gi ampha tarelak suba ampha senior league se champion oiba ngamjabani.
A new office of Manipur Chess Association was opened today at a simple function at Mapal Kangjaibung. The association was earlier facing problems as it did not have a proper office. The association has produced outstanding international, national level chess players and is guiding and encouraging young chess players of the state.
Masi kanna honaraga international player asi akhoi puthona ba akhoi pandamni amasung grandmaster IM sing makha ta ba akhoi gi mixat purakpang amgada player sing segut pasina akhoi gi target ni adra punam asi mayamna player singna mipung khudimangna akhoi da cooperation pibiduna akhoi ningjari ba se mai pahan biu.
Before we wrap up, let's see the headlines once again. 12 Orange Festival celebrated amid protests. Chief Minister Ibobi asserts Jiribam Tupul railway line will improve the life of Manipur in Tamenglong. A trial run for Imphal Mandalay bus service under India Act East policy flag off by Chief Minister today. Prime Minister Modi thanks people of Manipur for electing BJP candidates in Thangmeiban and Thongju by-election. And Neroka FC Sangakpham reached pre-quarterfinals of the 59cc meet.